Here is the quick simple take before you buy. What's up everyone, today we're looking at a product worth your attention. Are you ready to unleash your inner musician? The JIKADA 61-key portable electronic keyboard piano is here to revolutionize your music learning journey. This incredible instrument is not just portable, but also powerful and packed with extra storage, making it the perfect choice for musicians on the go. With its 3 teaching modes, you'll be learning like a pro in no time, and the light-up keys will guide you step by step, making it feel like having a personal instructor by your side. The sound quality is amazing, with rich and clear tones that will make you feel like you're playing on a grand piano. This super bundle includes everything you need to get started, from a sturdy X-shaped stand to a soft stool, headphones, a microphone, a music rest, and a power adapter. The stool is foldable, making it easy to store and save space, and the headphones will let you practice without disturbing others, with a comfortable fit that will make you feel like you're in a recording studio. Many customers have purchased and reviewed this product, and it's clear why it's so well reviewed. The quality is exceptional. The teaching modes are incredibly helpful, with piano note stickers that will help you learn and memorize music theory, musical notations, and key positions. It's like having a cheat sheet right in front of you. The feel of the keys is smooth and responsive, making it easy to play complex melodies, and the result is a sound that's both professional and captivating. Whether you're a beginner or an experienced musician, this keyboard is perfect for practice, performance, or just for fun, and it's so much better than other keyboards on the market because of its unique combination of portability, power, and extra features. So why not give it a try, and discover a world of musical possibilities? With the JIKADA 61-key portable electronic keyboard piano, you'll be making music in no time, and you'll love every if this helped. Hit. Link is in the description for the current price. If this review helped, please like the video, subscribe for more honest reviews, and share it if you liked the video.